Hey, Steve Zonardi here at Treviso Realty. We're at the new Amenity Center, so there's going to be a lot of traffic tonight. A lot of people are coming to take a look at it. So let's bring you through it. It's actually an amazing little facility. To remember, this is probably the size of a normal community's amenity center. This is obviously just a bonus. We're going to get 2 bonus amenity centers plus our mammoth amenity center located in phase 1. This area here is just going to be an office. Clearly, you can kind of take a look at that. It's like a pass-through. And then on this side here, we're going to have a gym. So probably a few cardio machines, and you're going to have like a cable-driven, exercise universal machine there. Grand area opening here. So just remember, I have the layout here in the plan I was looking at. So this is going to be seating area. So a few sofas and tables and a large table in the middle. And this is all going to be dining settings here. So let's take a look at the actual blueprint. It's going to give you an idea. So we walked through here. So you kind of see this area here is the family room setting. So that's going to be over there with the couches. So you're going to have love seat, large sofa, end tables, and then a large table in the middle. And then you got the dining setting here. So you're going to have a bar, which we're at currently now. You're going to have your stools, and then you're going to have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 tables out in here, which is going to be nice if you want to throw a little party. Take a look at this. So this is a nice screen lanai, which is cool. And then, I'll give you a sneak peek and we'll get out there. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Southwest exposure. Really nicely done. So again, this is our little kitchenette when you're throwing a party. And even got water in here. Check that out. Let's keep it going. There's some bathrooms down this way. This is the utility room. These are the bathrooms here. So bathrooms, again, no showers, no saunas, just plain old bathroom. Yeah, pretty good. It's nicely done. Just for the janitor. Now, this is probably going to ring. This is a temporary pool. So it'll ring. Oh, maybe not. There we go. So look at this. Nice pergola here. Again, there's that screen lanai. It's got a TV in there, which is kind of cool if you're throwing a party. So this would be great even if you do a Super Bowl party here. It'd be quite wild to have a few TVs going, a few parties all around. And yeah, they have a really cool facility. It's a great addition. I think this is going to drive a lot of people here. Instead of the main one, because it's nice and quiet. That is cool. We got soccer nets. That is so damn cool. I have a lot of Italians moving down here as well, and that's the first thing they ask me, if they got soccer nets. So Italians, we officially got soccer nets. Yeah, it's quite large facility. Nice hot tub here. Let's see if we can break something. Jets are not working. Jets are not working yet. Let's take a walk out to the pavilion. Oh, got jets. Look at that. Very cool. This is nice too. Outdoor shower. Get rinsed off. Again, this is why we feel that this area is definitely the best bang for the dollar. No wonder it's one of the best selling communities in Lee County. They say it's the highest selling. It has to be because of all the different facilities. Look at this beautiful lake. We got a great pavilion here for picnicking, which is fantastic. We were lacking this in our large, our original amenity center. So this is Horseshoe, I would imagine. That's what this is right now. This little area here. And this is cool. Look at this. We got our own soccer nets. They did some nice elevation turns here. Look how nice of the landscaping. This is absolutely freaking soaked. Oh shit. All right. Ooh, they put good grass in too. Look at that. It's like grass from up north. Pretty cool. So we got the little nets with the kids, and you got like an actual official soccer net. So this is a really, really, really cool, beautiful, nice job. A+ Camerata Developments. Looks really, really pretty. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we'll keep you posted on the opening day. Obviously, when it's all furnished, we'll shoot another video just to kind of finish this off, since we started the progress of this from the beginning. And that's pretty much it. We're going to head to the Kingston Project now. I drove by there a couple days ago, and it's insane how much they've done there. So they've removed all the citrus farms and excavated all the land already. They're already leveling it. So the beat on the street is by April of next year, we're going to have model homes ready to sell there. So we'll keep you posted. Check out the next video, because we're going to go shoot the Kingston Project. I want to show you the massive scale of that project right now, because remember, that's 6,600 acres. It's supposed to be, obviously, what was it, 10,000 homes, something of that nature, and with its own commercial sector. So it's going to be quite robust. Again, that's going to bring the corkscrew to another level as well. More traffic too. Hopefully they can do something about that. And that's pretty much it. We'll get you to the next one. Ciao.